Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 69, class 10th science for the date 18th December. How do organisms reproduce? Today we will study fertilization. So the process by which a male gamete unites with the female gamete, that is when the sperm unites with the ovum to form the zygote, is known as fertilization. What happens when the egg is not fertilized? If the egg is not fertilized, it will live only for one day. Every month, ovary releases one egg and the uterus will prepare itself to receive the fertilized egg. The linings of the uterus become thick and spongy for nourishing the embryo, and in case the egg is not fertilized, the lining is not needed anymore. So this lining slowly breaks and comes out of vagina as a blood and mucus. This cycle takes place every month and is known as menstruation cycle or menstrual cycle. It is of 28 days. Why there is a need and methods of family planning? Family planning not only benefits parents and children but also to society and nation by being able to keep the number of new births under control, save national economy and resources, because population control is very much necessary for the upliftment of the country. What is safe sex versus HIV/AIDS? There are many diseases which can be transmitted sexually or viral and bacterial infection like warts, HIV/AIDS, very infectious and deadly diseases. So it is possible to prevent such type of disease by using barriers like condoms. Safe sex can prevent transmission of sexual disease from one partner to another. Next is, what is reproductive health? Reproductive health, it is the total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional and social, behavioral. It is very important for a person to take care of self-reproduction health by taking healthy diet and maintaining hygiene of reproductive organs. There are various methods of family planning you can see. Mechanical barrier, this prevents physical meeting of sperm and egg through the barrier, example condom. Changing hormonal balance of the body, by doing this the egg do not release on the time, so fertilization do not occur. This is done by taking oral pills or injection. However, there are some side effects of this also. There is another method which is intrauterine devices or IUCDN, intrauterine contraceptive device, in which a copper T like structure is placed in the woman by the doctor and thereby preventing meeting of sperm and egg. The most important method is surgical method. It helps to block gamete transport by some minor surgery. Vasectomy in case of males, if vasa deferens is blocked, transfer of sperms can be stopped, and tubectomy, if fallopian tube is blocked, then the egg cannot reach the uterus. So this is how it is protected. Let's see the question answers. First question, what is fertilization? What happens if the egg is not fertilized? So the process by which male gamete unite with the female ovum to form zygote is known as fertilization. And if the egg is not fertilized, it lives for about one day and uterus lining is not needed anymore, so it comes out as mucus and blood. Then define menstruation. Uterus prepares itself every month to receive a fertilized egg. Its lining becomes thick and spongy, and if the egg is not fertilized, then the uterus lining is not needed anymore, so it comes out as mucus and blood. This happens every month and this is known as menstrual cycle or menstruation. Why is reproductive health is important? It is the total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, social and behavior. It teaches a person to take care of self-reproductive health by taking healthy diet and maintaining hygiene of reproductive organs. Question number 4. Explain various methods of family planning. You can take it from here. Mechanical barrier, changing hormonal balance of body, intrauterine contraceptive device and surgical methods. How AIDS can be prevented? It can be prevented by using disposable needles, practicing safe sex, regular health checkups and monitoring blood transfusion and pregnancy. Another important factor is awareness of AIDS. So this completes your worksheet. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.